All right, guys, so I have found, I think there's 8 different circuits for us to test. If the website from yesterday is working for you, then you test these on your own. It'll be more fun. But if not, then I'm going to walk through each one of these, and as long as you watch the video, you can still answer these questions. You are just going to answer these as a yes or a no, yes or no. So you might on a piece of notebook paper want to write 1 through 8 down, numbers 1 through 8, and then write yes or no as we walk through this, because you're going to have to write your answers on the seesaw slide with these pictures too. So it'd be easier not to have to go back and forth. So the first one we're going to try to build, there is a light bulb, 1 wire, and a battery. And the battery is attached right here to our light bulb. So let's see. And then 1 wire, and then a battery. Oh, look at that. That lights up. Okay, so on this one, you're going to put yes. Put yes. That works. All right, the next one just has a battery and a light bulb. Let's test that. Light bulb and battery. No, nothing happened. So no, that one is not a circuit. Okay, our next one, let's see, we have a light bulb and a battery connected with a wire, but the light bulb's touching in the middle. So let's see, get rid of that. Right, and that's like here. And then the wire looks like it's like that. Nope, that one doesn't work, not a circuit. All right, so the next one has the 2 wires, the light bulb, and the battery. And I hope you already know this answer. Let's see. I need another wire. And there you go. That one works. So yes, that one is a circuit. Okay, number 5. All right, this one has the battery attached to the glass part of our light bulb. And let's see, hold on real fast. Go back. That one just has 1 wire, just 1 wire, okay? So I need to delete that one. And I'm going to try, I don't know if it'll let me, yep, spin it around and try to attach it to the glass. Oh, no, that doesn't work. So no, that's not a circuit. Okay, number 6. Okay, so this one has it here and here. Let's delete that. Hold on. Let's start over. And I want to make sure it's the same. Okay, so up here and then down there. Got a battery. That's down at the bottom. And that's up there. That looks like it works. Yes, that one works. All right. Number 7. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so that has 1 wire. That's attached directly to the light bulb. Okay, let's see. That's to the light bulb like that. Wire, wire. That one works. Okay, so yes on that one. And number 8. Okay, it's off to the side like that. Let's see if that works. Light bulb. Wait a minute, I gotta go back and look at it. Okay, yeah, the battery's off to the side. This one will stretch around. Yep, that one's just the wires behind it, but that works. So yes, that one works also. All right, so if you missed any, go back through and see numbers 1 through 8, what we got for will these light up. If they light up, remember they're a complete circuit. If they don't, they're incomplete.